Hey 8th graders, this should be our final video that I need to record for you for this particular assignment so you can get your work turned in and ready to go for grading. There are so many different ways to share artwork when you're working in Adobe Illustrator. There are fast ways and there are short ways. There are ways you can share your work where I can see them when graded on Schoology, and there's ways where you can turn them in on Schoology and I can't grade them. It's going to be really important that you follow the steps to get this artwork turned in correctly so it's visible by myself when I grade it. My favorite way to share artwork in Adobe so others can see it real easily is to change the file type. So I've already gone in and I've done a file save. That's why my save is grayed out. Now that I've completed my artwork, I'm going to go to File and I'm going to export, and I'm going to export for screens. When I export for screens, I can export a variety of different methods. One of my favorites is just to do the default, which is a PNG, and I'm going to click on export. At this point though, I am not going to know where my work goes because my export to box is empty. Therefore, I'm going to set it up. So I'm going to click on the little plus or the little folder, and I'm going to be very intentional about where I go. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to go to my drive, and I am going to export it to my drive. Now, if you are starting to get a lot of stuff in your drive like I have, I would suggest making a folder and putting it inside a specific folder so you can find it when you go to submit it on Schoology. I know where it's going to go for me, so I'm just going to select this folder, and now I know it's going to go to my Google Drive, right into my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Export Artboard. It's doing a little work, and I'm hoping that this does this for you as well. In the app streaming service, a window popped up and it said, hey, here's where I added your artwork. It says 1x. If you double click on it, you should be able to see your artboard. Now, I know for sure that that's not what my artboard looked like. That's just a quick little preview, but that's what we're going to be submitting on Schoology. So I can close out this window. I can pop back over to my Schoology, and on my Schoology, I can click on Submit Assignment on the side, and when I go to Submit Assignment, I'm going to look for uploading a file, and I'm going to upload that file from my Google Drive. I hope that's enough information for you to be able to submit it because you guys are becoming such rock stars with submitting stuff on Schoology.